Hi, Vidhi.
How do you feel?
Good, great.
I have two very basic questions for you. I wanted to understand what is the importance of the India Mobile Congress?
So, India Mobile Congress, as you know, is sponsored by the COAI, and all the three member operators actually own this property. IMC is a physical event, model more like the MWC Barcelona.
Yes.
But coming 2 years after pandemic, this is a high energy event now, coming back from being at home and office. Now you are actually in an environment.
Yes.
Importance of IMC is it's actually a confluence of all the stakeholders in the ecosystem.
Right.
The government sponsors it, the operators are there, the entire manufacturer are there, startups are there. So it's really a high energy event for everybody to be here to showcase what's best is available in technology in India and entire Asia actually.
That's nice. That's really
Absolutely.
nice. And you're right. After 2 years, the physical presence of everyone is like really throwing out the energy.
Yeah.
Okay. And my second question is, why is IMC 2022 extremely crucial for the world of mobility and connectivity?
So as you know, IMC 2022 marks a evolutionary moment and a revolutionary moment as far as Airtel is concerned. So this is the launch of 5G. You saw Honorable Prime Minister launching the use case, and as Airtel we did a fantastic use case of immersive education and a hologram using the augmented and virtual realities. I think this particular event is tilted towards the launch of the 5G event.
Yes.
It's an event which we are going to remember maybe in our lifetimes, because it's marking a moment where a new technology is being ushered in after a lot of pain and a lot of tribulations the industry went
Yeah.
through. So I think this is an event which is marking a turning event for the entire industry. For the customers, it opens up plethora of opportunities for education, for health, for agriculture, for the entire manufacturing community. So I think this is really an epoch moment for the entire industry and for the customers. And as an operators, the challenge for us to be able to satisfy everybody in the market. So that's what it's great about.
That's excellent. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
joining
Vidhi.
me.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Yeah.